Actually, I was coming outside. Actually, no, so that no one can hear me while speaking English. Actually, when people watch me while speaking, they got shocked. They get shocked. Okay, that's why I am coming here. Yeah. So let's start the conversation again. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Very good morning. Okay, so since we are meeting for the first time, I would like to know something about yourself.
Yeah, yeah, why not? I am Guntur Kumar Yadav. I'm a YouTuber. I did BCA, and my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers. I am from Uttar Pradesh Bharadwaj district, and this is my short introduction.
Okay, okay, nice, nice.
What
Okay,
you know
so
about
to
also?
introduce, okay, so now I'm going to introduce myself. This is Rofikul Mia. I'm from West Bengal, Kuchibahar district, to more exact. When it comes to my educational qualification, unfortunately, I couldn't complete my graduation because of some reasons. And to talk about my profession, by profession, I'm a small businessman. And I'm very much interested in learning new things. Now I would like to say something about my likes and dislikes. I like patriotism, honesty, truthfulness, hardworking, and sincerity, and I dislike gossiping, speaking ill of others. And everybody has an aim in life because an aimless life is like a boat with a boatman. So my aim in life is to be a good English teacher. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, okay. So you are running a small business. So which kind of business?
Uh, I will with the drugstore.
Ayurveda drug store. Okay, so since when have you been running this, business?
To be honest, I started my business journey a long, long years ago. It's been 7 years, more than 7 years.
7 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
yeah, go ahead.
So topic which on we can discuss for a while. Actually, I have not taken breakfast yet, and I have not taken bath yet. So only I can give for this session for 10 minutes. Do you have any topics?
Yeah,
And
there
before,
are.
I'd
Yes, we
like
can.
to know that when did you join this application?
Uh, I joined here only 7 or 8 days ago.
7 days ago. Okay, okay, okay. So how are you? How are you experiencing about this application?
Yeah, actually, if I talk about this application is very helpful, needful for everyone, not only for me. You know why? Because you are getting a lot of partners to this application practicing English, and you are getting a chance to make a conversation, one-to-one conversation, like on video call. So yeah, overall this application is very helpful. Actually, this application is a very good application, and this application is also helping me a lot to improve my speaking skill by
So
interacting
actually,
with so many cool.
about your English. Actually, your pronunciation is very different from others, and also including me. Actually, your pronunciation is like a native speaker is speaking, or I think just American. So I'm very
Okay,
impressed. Okay, I'm
thanks
very
for
impressed by you.
positive.
So
Uh,
yeah, I must understand that you have given much time learning this language. So I appreciate this, and I appreciate your hard work. So now I'd like to know about your background. Actually, which family do you belong, and all these things.
Yeah, if I talk about my family, basically I belong to a village. Okay, I'm a villager. I live in a rural area, and it's really very difficult to learn this language living in a rural area. And if I talk about my family, there are only 4 members in my family, and my father is no more. He passed away 3 years ago, and I'm a married guy. I have a daughter as well. Yeah, my mother, myself, my wife, and we have only one child. They are only 4 members from
Don't
four
worry.
members.
Video quality is okay. Okay, don't touch again and again. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me.
Uh, and actually I'm learning English by myself here. No one is helping me to learn English. Even no one motivated me to learn English. Actually, most of the villagers are pretty weak in English. they always talk in Bengali. Bengali is a native language, so they naturally speak in Bengali, but no one is interested talking in English. So I'm trying my level best to improve my speaking skill by myself. Yeah,
So your mother tongue is Bengali.
yeah, Bengali is my mother tongue.
So you are not comfortable with your language.
Yeah, I'm very much comfortable. Why not?
Okay, so you are adding in your life another language so that you will become, you know, worth more worthy. And so I'd like to know. I want to ask one question that when father your passed away, so what was your age at that time?
Now I am 31 years old. Okay, and when my father actually passed away 3 years ago, so I was 28 years old.
28. So are you married? So do you have any children?
Yeah, I have a daughter as well.
Okay, so you are also running a business. So what difficulty are you facing in your business, running this business?
Yeah, actually, if I talk about my business, when I started my business, actually, I had to face a lot of problems. Like I used to face a lot of problems. And actually, when I started my business, I had an acquaintance who helped me a lot to improve to develop my business. And that is why actually, what you say about it? Actually, to be honest, he is my family. Yeah, okay, but he is not my brother, actually some kind of friend. Okay, so he helped me a lot to develop to start my business, and that is why I didn't face any kind of difficulty, any kind of problem. Yeah.
Well, you want to say that you are not facing any problem in your business, running business. So that's okay and very good. So now I'd like to know that what is your surname?
Yeah, my journey is going well. Yeah, actually, I'm trying my level best to improve my business as well. My business is going up day by day, a little by little, slowly.
Yeah, okay. So how do you learn English? Actually, what do you do for your improving your spoken English, especially?
Nothing like that. I just try to follow some YouTubers providing English. Okay, I just try to follow some YouTubers, foreign YouTubers, and sometimes I.
No, I can understand. It happens. So now I'd like to know about you are from are you from
I'm
Pashchim
from
Bengal,
West Van. Yeah,
West
yeah,
Bengal?
Kochi,
Yeah, Pashchim
West
Bengal.
Van.
So can you tell me about your state a bit?
Okay, so actually, if I talk about my state, okay, so first of all, you tell me, have you ever visited our state, West Bengal?
No, I have not visited it, and actually, I love to travel, but when I think about traveling, so I face two three problems. First is that financial, and second, I am at home alone, so my family does not allow me to go outside, and third is that you know yeah, that's it. I have not visited. So can you tell me about something about your state?
Okay, so and are you interested to visit here if you get a chance in the long run
I'm
in future?
interested to travel across the world, across the country. So, but I'm not able to. So I wish I be able to travel. And when I came in your state, so definitely I will call you.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Why not? Of course.
And also I will try to have a conversation in face to face.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah, so let's tell me about something if you want to, and if you don't. So let's change the topic.
Topic. I want to talk about the topic.
So now,
Okay.
brother, I'd like to ask you one thing is that please let me go. Actually, I have not taken breakfast yet, and I have not taken bath yet. So let me go home and take bath and have breakfast. Actually, I am hungry. So and as well as I am thirsty. So let me go. I will meet you another time. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay. No
wishing
issues.
you
No
a
problem.
blessed time and keep learning. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care.